Hello, AVID, and welcome to a very, very short week, but a week with a wonderfully long Thanksgiving weekend. And so, with that being said, we will not be having school Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So, instead, we will be having our live synchronous session on Thursday during the second half of class. So starting at 11:10 for the rest of that period, we'll be able to meet and go over and discuss the things that we'll need to be able to do and tackle for this week. Now, because it is a short week, I greatly reduced the number of assignments we're going to be taking care of. Instead, just focused on the note check and the agenda check. Note check because no matter what, you're always taking notes because at least in one of your classes, you're going to be covering and doing some new learning. And then the agenda check because every week being able to plan and organize and know what's happening is essential. So your agenda check this week really is just about 2 days, right? It's going to be Monday and Tuesday, and then any other plans over the weekend based off of things you want to make up, late work you want to do, or other assignments you want to be able to complete. So, ladies and gentlemen, I absolutely look forward to seeing you during our live session. I can't wait and hope you have a fantastic week and Thanksgiving break. Take care.